I'm about to show you an AI bot that will generate cartoons for you to use in YouTube videos so that you can start getting paid every single day by YouTube, making anywhere from a couple hundred to thousands of dollars per week. Even if you're a complete beginner, you don't need to show your face, you don't need a website, and you don't need to sell anything. In this step-by-step tutorial, I will not only show you how to create animations with AI, but also how to make money from them, even if you've never made money online before. Let's get into it. So in this step-by-step tutorial, we will be focusing on faceless animation YouTube channels like MSA, because this channel over here is posting completely faceless animations with a voiceover on top. According to Social Blade, they're making about $500,000 a month, which is literally over $15,000 per day just from ad revenue on this one channel alone. But they are using this channel to promote different offers, and they're also getting brand deals and sponsorships, so they're definitely making a lot more than just $15,000 per day. So, in this video, we will be breaking down how they're actually making these animations, how you can do this for free with AI, even if you have no previous experience, and then, of course, how to actually make money from a completely faceless YouTube channel. First of all, in order for your channel to earn ad revenue like MSA, you need to be approved into the partner program, meaning your channel needs to get monetized. And for some people, that can take 12 months because you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. But you can actually get instantly monetized first and not miss out on thousands of dollars that you could have otherwise made. So you can get an instantly monetized channel at dfydave.com monetization, which is the best website to use. And then you can click on Let's Start Working Together or claim the early bird offer. You can place your order and you can instantly get a monetized channel where as soon as you start posting videos, they can earn ad revenue depending on how many views you get. Now the next step is to create a story. And for this, you can just go over to ChatGPT and you can write a story about literally anything. Just type in a prompt and then ChatGPT will start writing that story for you. Now, once the story has been written for you, you also want to ask ChatGPT to generate prompts for these scenes so that you can actually animate these in a different AI tool. And we have scene number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. So we have the entire production done basically by AI. Next up, you want to go to Leonardo AI to start generating these images. This is one of the best AI tools out there right now, and I've linked Leonardo in the description box especially for you, so be sure to click on that and create a completely free account. Then you want to click on Create New Image, and then you just want to select 3D animation style, and you can start pasting in the different scenes ChatGPT generated for you. Now I'm going to paste that, but I'm also going to add that this is going to be a high-quality image, and I want this to be Pixar-like animation. So I'm going to type in Pixar style over here, and then I'm going to generate this. I only need one of these styles or one of these images, so I'm just going to generate that so I don't waste my credits on multiple images. This is going to be the first scene that is going to be generated for me. While that is being generated, I'm going to copy the next scene, scene number 2. I'm going to copy that, and later on in this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how to actually animate this to turn this into a video, because for now this is just a picture, but it looks pretty good. So I'm going to download the first scene with one press of a button. Now we can just remove this and then add another one. So I'm going to generate this other scene with one press of a button, and I'm just going to continue doing this until I have all of the scenes that ChatGPT wants me to create. In this case, that's going to be 10 different scenes for my animation and for the story that I am creating. Then I'm just going to download the next scene, and I will just repeat the process. Next up, we want to generate an actual voiceover for our faceless YouTube video. So I use 11 Labs for this. We can go straight to the voice lab, and we can start creating these different voices for reading these different stories. I'm going to select Daniel's voice for this story. Then I'm just going to go back to ChatGPT and actually start copy-pasting the story. So it's going to start off with this first sentence, and then I'm going to paste that over here, and I'm going to generate a voiceover. Let's actually listen to it together to see if this is any good, and if it sounds robotic or not, because this is completely AI generated.
Timmy wasn't like other kids. He had a special secret.
Okay, great, this sounds good. I'm going to copy and paste each little section from ChatGPT and generate a voiceover on 11 Labs, and then I can piece those together to make one full voiceover later. Now the next thing to do is to actually animate these pictures. So you just have to open one of the images that Leonardo AI generated, and then just click the image to motion button, and then it will add motion to your picture so that it's not just still anymore. It makes such a huge difference and makes it feel way more real. So here we have the video done. Let's actually play it and we can see that the animation is pretty good. Now I can download it with one press of a button, so I have scene number 1. And then you just need to repeat this for all the other scenes too. Next, we can start editing this video with CapCut for completely free. So you just want to create a new video, then you will select 16 by 19. You will then upload your voiceover clips and Leonardo AI videos and put it all together, ordering it scene by scene and making sure everything matches up. You can also add different effects and stickers from the left-hand side. And if you want to add captions, you can do that by pressing one button here. You can just add auto captions. You can generate them from scratch and they will be done throughout the entire video. They're going to show up automatically, as you can see. You can also customize this because in this case the text doesn't pop that much, so I'm going to add some shadow. Maybe I'm going to add some stroke as well. Let's see what that looks like.
Once upon a time in the bustling city of Brightville, there lived a young boy named Timmy. Timmy wasn't like other kids. He had a special secret. By day, he was an ordinary schoolboy, but by night, he transformed into the electrifying superhero known as Sparky.
And this is pretty good. Now I can just export the entire video with one press of a button, and I can download it ready to be uploaded to YouTube. One of the last things to do is you just want to create a YouTube thumbnail in Canva for completely free. So search for YouTube thumbnail inside of Canva, and then you just want to select a blank template. What I would do is I would literally just use a scene from our little movie that we made. This is going to be my thumbnail, but I'm also just going to add some text and maybe some gradient as well, so that I can read the text that I put on the screen. And this is how that's going to look like for me. You can put any text that you want, and then you can just click on share, and you can download this as a YouTube thumbnail, as a PNG file, and you can upload it as a YouTube thumbnail to your YouTube video. And finally, you want to upload your video to your channel using your thumbnail, and by giving it a good title and description with good hashtags which you can ask ChatGPT to give you. Keep making these videos, keep uploading, and one of two things will happen. And if you get an instantly monetized channel, then you'll make money from your first video and make more and more money the more you upload. If you don't get an instantly monetized channel, then you need to keep uploading until you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time. And then you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and get paid. Either way, make sure you keep going. I really hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, I'd appreciate it if you like and subscribe for more videos like this.